A Claremont dentist accused of performing unnecessary root canals and steel crowns on baby teeth has officially been disciplined by the state. The Dental Board of California has ruled the pediatric dentist can continue treating patients on probation. It is the latest update in our year-long NBC7 investigation. Alexis Rivas is in the newsroom with details and reaction.
So under his probation, not only is Dr. Quang Nguyen allowed to keep treating patients, he needs to work at least 16 hours a week as a dentist if he wants to keep his license. And here's the thing about being on probation under the Dental Board of California. They don't have to tell you, their patients, about it. Right after our first investigation into Claremont pediatric dentist Dr. Quang Nguyen aired back in February, we started getting calls and emails from parents.
I mean, it makes me sick. It blows my mind. I don't even understand it, but that's why I'm here.
Who knows how many other children had suffered through his hands.
More than a dozen parents told us he performed unnecessary dental work on their children, in most cases on baby teeth.
You feel bad, because as a parent you have to protect them.
Now, 4 years after the Dental Board of California first got a parent complaint, it's agreed to give Nguyen less than 3 years probation.
It seems like they protect the dentists more than they do the consumers, and that's a concern.
Marianne Hollingsworth is a patient safety advocate.
The fact that he got any probation at all is good. The fact that it took so long is bad. The fact that the information is so hard to find is bad.
In California, dentists are not required to tell patients if they're serving probation, meaning it's up to us to check the state dental board website every time we visit our dentist.
People just don't have the time to do that. They trust the agency will ensure that that medical professional is safe. And that's not always the case.
An NBC7 investigation in March discovered it took more than 3 years on average for the state dental board to investigate a complaint against a dentist.
It's ridiculous to have them take that long. It puts people at risk during that time.
And it appears the settlement was signed in August, but didn't go into effect and wasn't made public until December.
I think they're failing to protect consumers by not doing a better job of regulating these professionals.
So if you want to check your dentist before you go in for a visit, you could do that on the Dental Board website. You could search for them by name, and there you can find any accusations and disciplinary actions. I'll have a link to that website in this story on NBC7.com. Alexis Rivas, NBC7 Investigates.
And 5 months after our first report, Nguyen closed his Claremont practice. It's unclear if he's practicing anywhere right now. We did reach out to his lawyer, but have not heard back. The dental board told us consumer protection is a priority and that this investigation was completed within the time frame required by law.